Hello everyone, class 12 topic is Lucas test to distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. In previous video, we have understood Victor-Meyer test to distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. Now it's a time to understand Lucas test. Let's check what is Lucas reagent first. This Lucas reagent is prepared by dissolving anhydrous zinc chloride, means which don't contain water of crystallization. It's a white color powder, will be dissolved in concentrated HCl, slowly hydrochloric acid. It's a highly exothermic reaction. When you will mix them, a lot of heat energy will generate, which can make vapors of HCl, which are dangerous for us. So it is very important to maintain low temperature. So obviously, when you will mix them, number one, slowly we have to mix it. Number two, continuously stirring. And number three, we have to use ice bath. This mixture we have to prepare in ice bath because the reaction is highly exothermic. That's why we need to maintain a low temperature. This heat energy can produce HCl vapor, which are acidic. They are dangerous for us. A colorless solution will generate, which is known as Lucas reagent. Now, how this colorless solution can identify 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol, let's check. First, let me tell you directly, alcohol react with Lucas reagent will create alkyl chlorides and side product water. These alkyl chlorides which will develop will create cloudiness in test tube, which is also known as turbidity. Now, on the basis of timing for the generation of turbidity, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols are decided. Let's check. If we are using 1 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent, at room temperature you need to perform these experiments. At room temperature, 1 degree alcohol, there will be no reaction. 2 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent at room temperature will create turbidity within 5 minutes. Turbidity means alkyl chlorides will be generated. Whereas if you are using 3 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent at room temperature, turbidity appears immediately. Within a few seconds, alkyl chlorides will generate, which will create cloudiness in the test tube, which we call turbidity. 3 degree alcohols are highly reactive and 1 degree alcohol are not reactive at room temperature. So in this fashion, by note down the timing of generation of turbidity, you can decide whether the alcohol is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Now if I talk about mechanism part, mechanism already we have discussed. Its mechanism is similar to Groove's process. This concept we have done in the generation of alkyl chloride from alcohol. The chapter name was haloalkane, where we have reacted alcohol with HCl and zinc chloride. Zinc was giving vacant orbital. That vacant orbital was attacking on the lone pair of oxygen, due to which this oxygen will become unstable and it will quickly break bond from R and carbocations will generate. These carbocations were attacked by Cl negative ions which are coming from HCl and RCl was generated. Finally, OH will break bond from Zn and this OH will be balanced by H positive. H positive OH negative will combine to produce H2O. This was the mechanism we have explained well in previous video of Groove's process. Check there. Mechanism again I will not repeat. Means only the point here, alcohol is creating alkyl chloride through carbocation as an intermediate. Means if I am reacting 1 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent, 1 degree carbocation will generate. Which will be attacked by Cl negative and finally alkyl chloride will generate. If I am using 2 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent, note down room temperature must be at 25 degrees Celsius. 2 degree carbocation will generate in this case. And if 3 degree alcohol is used, so 3 degree carbocation will generate. Now out of these 3 carbocations, 3 degree carbocation is most stable carbocation. So 3 degree alcohol is highly reactive with Lucas reagent because the reaction is passing through most stable carbocation, 3 degree carbocation. Whereas in 1 degree alcohol, when 1 degree alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent, it is creating a least stable carbocation. That's why this 1 degree alcohol is not reacting properly with Lucas reagent. The reaction is so slow or even no reaction at room temperature. So in this case, because the reaction is very fast, turbidity appears immediately, means alkyl chloride generates immediately. Followed by 2 degree carbocation, within 5 minutes alkyl chlorides will generate, turbidity will generate, whereas 1 degree alcohol is not giving any reaction with Lucas reagent at room temperature. So in this way, by checking timing for the generation of turbidity, we can decide our alcohol is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. If you want to understand mechanism, go for the Groove's process, same mechanism we have for Lucas reagent. That's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much.